Hello friends, good morning. This is Dr. Janardhan Pawar from TC College Baramati. As we are here, already we have started topic number 3 and that topic name is soft skills. So from this topic, already we have done with two different soft skills and these two different soft skills are grooming and manners and etiquettes we have done. Now from this lecture onwards we are going to talk about one more types of soft skill, and that is interview. In our life we face n number of interviews, and there we appear. Sometimes we crack the interview, sometimes we do not crack the interview. So there are certain steps to crack the interview, and there are different types of interviews also that we face in our day-to-day life. So in this lecture we are going to talk about the concept of interview, as well as we are going to talk about how this interview is important in everybody's life, as well as what should be done, what should not be done at the time of interview. Similarly, we are going to see do's and don'ts, and finally we are going to talk about one more aspect, and that aspect is when you want to appear for the interview, what should be done, and that is called as what? Preparation to appear for the interview. So these are the aspects which we are going to see. So in brief, I am going to give you the outline of today's lecture, and this one is the outline of today's lecture. So in this video we are going to talk about the concept of interview first. Later on we are going to talk about different types of interviews. There are different types of interviews which are conducted by the employer for the purpose of employee or for the purpose of job, and through that particular or those particular interviews candidates are selected for the job. So that also we are going to discuss in this video. Apart from that, we are going to talk about what sort of components are available, components are there when we think about interview as a soft skill. After that, we are going to talk about benefits, what types of benefits are there when we go for the interview. Then when we consider this interview as a soft skill, so there are different types of importance of soft skill that also we are going to highlight. And finally, if you want to crack the interview without any disturbance, without any difficulty, without any obstacle in your life, there are certain tips to follow. So those tips also I'm going to discuss with you guys. And finally, at the last, I'm going to conclude this video by giving some hints to appear for the interview. So this one is just outline of our today's talks that I have already discussed with you guys. So starting with the concept of interview, mostly people are a little bit confused about the concept of interview. Mostly they are not aware with the concept of interview. So here in this first slide of my lecture, I'm going to talk about the concept of interview, as well as I'm going to talk about how this process of interview is conducted. So friends, when it comes to interview, we can see there is one word, but actually this word is taken from two different words, and those two different words are enter and view. So basically the word enter is taken from enter, ENTRE, and that is called as to get inside or to get into that particular activity. So enter means the word that is given here, that is enter, and another word is also there, that is view. So we are going to understand the meaning of these two words separately, and we are going to see the meaning of this word combinedly also. So before going to understand the meaning word interview combinedly, we are going to understand this word separately first. So we are going to talk about enter first, and then we talk about view. So if you want to understand the meaning of word interview, it is necessary to understand the meaning of these two different words. When it comes to enter means from your bottom of heart, enter means from your soul, from your inner body. Sometimes it is called as what? Internal views. Internal views means what? Whatever views you have, and if those views are coming from your soul, those views are coming from your bottom of heart, it becomes enter. Views that I'm going to tell you now, views are nothing but what? Your opinions, thoughts, and ideas that you have about anything. So when it comes to the meaning of word interview, already we have seen the two different words. Enter means from your bottom of heart, and views means nothing but what? Thoughts and opinions. So in interview, what you are going to give, what you are going to express, what you are going to talk about, you are going to talk about any concept, or about any concept, about anything, about any job, about any particular activity from your bottom of heart, and there you express your views, you express your thoughts. There you express your ideas from the bottom of heart or from the bottom of soul, and this is what this particular activity of expressing your views, expressing your thoughts, expressing your ideas from the bottom of your heart is called as interview. So here, when we think about the concept of interview, there are two parties which are always involved in the process of interview, and those parties are interviewee and interviewer. So remember, without these two parties, the interview process cannot be completed. So what you people have to remember, if you want to conduct an interview, there are two parties which are must to go for this process, and these two parties are interviewee and interviewer. So that also we are going to talk about in another or next part of this video. So what you people have to understand, this interview is nothing but what, a process of knowing something which is there in the mind of candidate, which is there in the heart of the candidate, which is there in the soul of the candidate, and that will be taken by using systematic method. So what is the method to take away from the bottom of the heart, from the soul of the heart of the candidate? So for that purpose, the person who are sitting over there to ask some questions, they will ask some systematic questions, and by asking those systematic questions, they will try to get that information, and those can be called as what, views, or those can be called as internal views. And this way the process of interview is conducted. So what you people have to remember, it is nothing but what, it is a process of expressing internal views, and those views can be collected by asking some different and systematic questions. And that way there are two parties which are always involved, interviewee and interviewer. So who are the interviewers and who is an interviewee? Interviewee means what, the person who is sitting there to give the interview, and interviewer means what, the person who is going to conduct the interview. The person who is asking the question is called as what, interviewer, and the person who is giving the interview is called as what, interviewee. So here in a simple manner I'm going to explain this. Interviewee means the person who is answering the question, whereas interviewer means what, the person who is asking the question. So this one is the concept of interviewee, interviewer and interview. So in this particular slide we have been talked about three different concepts, and those three different concepts are interviewer, interviewee and interview. So once again I repeat, the person who is asking the question is called as interviewer, the person who is answering the question is called as interviewee, and the process of getting the views or internal views from the candidate by asking some systematic question is called as interview. So here we have understood the concept of interview. I hope you don't have any problem as such to understanding the concept of interviewer, interviewee and interview. So in next part of our video, we are going to talk about the first thing and the first aspect that is to be there in the process of interview. So they have given the meaning of word interview. So if you want to understand the meaning of word interview, certain things that you people have to consider, certain things that you people have to remember. So if you just imagine the concept of interview, what we can understand, see, basically the interview which we people have seen, we people have experienced in our life so far, so we can create a picture in our mind how it can be conducted. I think people have seen in movies, sometimes we people have seen, or we people have heard from our relatives and friends and our parents also. I had an interviews given, interviews taken, interviews was very hard, it was very difficult to face and so on. So interview is nothing but what, a formal gathering where people come together, they sit face to face, there are some questions, and questions are asked to the candidate, and candidate will answer the questions. So this way we can imagine about the concept of interview, or this way the interview is conducted. Apart from this particular picture which is there in the mind of we guys or we people, there are different ways to conduct the interview. See, at the beginning only I used one word, that is formal gathering, but see, interviews can be conducted by using informal or informal gatherings also. So we cannot restrict interview up to formal gathering. By using informal ways also interviews can be conducted. But when we want to understand the meaning of word interview, here we are thinking something formally. So when it comes to formal gathering, when it comes to formal interview, This is one of the types of interviews that also we are going to discuss in next videos. Before that, just I want to tell you how the interview is conducted, how the concept of interview is there. Basically, in this particular type of interview, people come together, they sit face to face, and they go for questions and answers. From those questions and answers, they try to get different types of information. For example, you are going to appear for the job interview. So in that job interview, the person who is sitting there to ask some questions will try to collect the information about your hobbies, about your personal information, about your qualification, about your job interest, about your experience of job, and so on. So this way the information is collected. And here what is happening? People are coming together formally. They are not going for informal gathering and all. So this way we can say this one is a formal way of gathering where they do their different types of assessment, whatever they require, and accordingly interview is conducted. So here what we people have to understand, as far as interview is concerned, interview is nothing but what? It is a formal gathering which can be done for different purposes, which can be made for different purposes, and purposes may differ from region to region or places to places also. So this is what the concept of interview is, which we people have seen. Moving on to the next one, that is types of interviews. As I told you, there are different types of interviews which we people have to conduct in our day-to-day schedule. When we think about the concept of interview as far as the corporate sector is concerned, there are different types of interviews that they conduct. I think you people have heard so many names, and you people haven't heard those words, those types of interviews in day-to-day life. So those also we are going to discuss here. So if you look at the types of interviews, there are major 6 types of interviews that we conduct in corporate sector, and those we are going to discuss in days to come, or in days to our lectures. So the first one is structured interview, second one is unstructured interview, third one is group interview, fourth one is individual interview, next informal interview, and another one is formal interview. So these are the basic major types of interviews that we conduct in corporate sector. Apart from these types of basic types of interviews, we have a number of interviews like planned interview, unplanned interview, exit interview, stress interview, and so on. So that also, or those also, we are going to discuss in our videos. Before that, we are going to talk about these 6 types of interviews, which are the major types of interviews in the process of interviews that they follow in corporate sector. So we are going to talk about the first one, that is structured interview. So what are those interview? That also we are going to see. Before that, let me talk about the component of interview. Component means what? What is the process of interview and how it can be conducted. As I told you earlier, when we talk about the concept of interview, there are 2 parties which are always involved in the process of interview, and without those 2 parties, the process of interview is not completed. So who are they and what are they? Once again I repeat, the first party which is involved in the process of interview is interviewer, and the second party which is involved in the process of interview is interviewee. And without these 2 parties, the process of interview is not possible. How? Suppose interviewers are there. Interviewers means what? The person who is sitting there to conduct the interview. Or second one is what? Interviewee means what? The person who is appearing for the interview and answering the question. Suppose everything is there, interviewees are there, but interviewers are not there. So there is no use of this particular thing. So this is what? Without each and everybody's presence, the process of interview is not at all possible. So this is what I said like this. Without these 2 particular parties, the process of interview cannot be completed or is not possible. So this is called as component of interview, which we people have seen. Now try to understand. If you look at this picture, there you can understand how the process of interview can be done. If you look at this, there is one panel of 3 members, and they are sitting to ask some questions, and in front of that panel one candidate is sitting over there. So this way the interview is conducted. So they are asking some questions and the candidate is answering some questions. So this way the interview process is done. As I told you, here they are trying to collect some information from the bottom of his heart, or from bottom of his soul, and that information is based on his assessment, based on his qualification, based on his experience, and so on. So this way the information is collected, which is related to job or anything else. So this way the information collected, and by looking at the picture you can understand the process of interview thoroughly. Moving on to the next one, and that is none other than how the important, or how this process of interview is important in everybody's life, and what we call it, if you want to appear for the interview, what are the important things that you need to remember when you go for the interview. Basically, this may be also called as how to prepare for the interview, and what can be done if you want to appear for the interview. That is also we are going to see. But before going ahead, we have to take a break here. We are going to see all these aspects in next video. So till then, stay connected and stay tuned. Thank you.